So hi everyone, welcome to the OSINT series of VIEH group. So there's a lot of people those who are asking me how to investigate an image. If there is an image, okay, there is a boy standing near a bus stand and there is a tree near. So how to investigate that one, right? Because sometimes we enter the things on Google Lens. Most of the time usually tiny image, Google Lens, there's a lot of substitute, but most of the time we are not getting result. So how to investigate, how to find out what from where this image is taken, okay, how to investigate a cybercrime and all those things. So in this video I'll tell you about a very interesting topic. You might hear of that one, which is called GEOSINT, right? So GEOSINT is something about open source intelligence about geo related thing, geographical related. So in this video I'll just tell you about a platform from where you can learn, right? If there is an image, how to investigate that. So this is the URL. Okay, if you want to, this is a platform. Okay, my map URL is geohub.g, right? So if you want to learn about in US, right, GeoSent in US, you can simply click here. You will get a lot of things. You can click here, play, just create an account. It's very simple, and you will get a couple of images, right? You will get images, investigate. First time you'll get a very simple, right? There is a image in the background. There is a railway station written. This is the railway station name. So just enter the name. Boom, you just qualified for the next round. So this is how the level will increase, right? And if you get a good number, then your name will be listed here. So from here you can practice your geosynthesis skills for free. Just sign up. Next platform is hideandseek.world. So you can play from here as well. This is also might be a free platform if I'm not wrong. It's a iOS based application as well. So you can check out here, and there is a Discord link, right? Next one is open guest, right? So this is very famous open guest. You need to find out where this image is. So you just have to pin out where this image is, right? If you click here, the things will move forward, right? Okay, so you need to investigate. Okay, it's a very greeny area, so probably a area where the greeneries are there, right? This area or this area or this one, right? So you need to check out. Okay, let's try a little bit. If there is any vehicle number, no vehicle number is there. Okay, let's get little that side. Okay, so this is how you can play this game, right? I'm just showing you a video. And click here, move forward, move forward. If you see something, no, it's still green. Okay, this will like help you to get some sort of great knowledge, right? Because in India there are very less people those who have good knowledge of OSINT, right? And especially for the GeoSint. So here you can practice your skills. Move forward, move forward. Okay, so we are still moving. We are doing time travel. There is something. Yes, there is something. What's written on the board? Nothing. Nothing here. So it seems like it's not US. It seems like uh Africa somewhere, right? So let me try to check out. Yes, there is something. It's Nigeria, right? So this is very easy. You can simply search out where is the Brazil. I want to guess. Okay, search out where is Nigeria, South Korea. It's in South Africa. So Nigeria. Yes, this one. Yes, probably. Yep, that was impressive. So this is how exactly you can play this game. I just shown you how to do. Right. So this is going to help you a lot. Even you'll get a lot of jobs even after doing that one. ERS amount. You can check out the billboards. This is probably seems to be US, right? So this is very easy game. So just practice this out. Let me know what exactly you feel like, right? Is there something? No, nothing. And it's Saint Joseph, US probably. And, it's very easy. You can find out the numbers, everything is there. It's very easy, right? This is how you can practice your skills on OSINT, GeoSINT, right? So let me know in the comment box what exactly you feel like, and is it good? What do you feel like, right? So thank you very much for watching this video, and always use it for ethical purpose. So again, thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day. Jai Hind.